How to fix we could not find a camera compatible with Windows Hello Face in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix we couldn't find a camera compatible with Windows Hello Face in Windows 10 or 11, then just follow the steps. First, you just need to simply go with your settings. Now, once you're under your settings, you need to simply search for optional features. Under optional features, you need to search for a feature which is Windows Hello Face, which is right here, facial recognition Windows Hello. You might have Windows Hello Face, and in my case, it's already installed, right? But if it's not installed, you don't have that option right here, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with add an optional feature and click on view features. And from here, you need to add the feature. You need to search for Windows Hello Face. Once you've searched, you will have the option of Windows Hello Face. If it's not installed, you just need to simply click on the box which is on the right and then go with next, and it will be installed on your device. Once it's installed, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just open up your file explorer and go with this PC. Go with the local disk C, and then here you will have Windows option. Just go with Windows folder. Under Windows, you need to go with System 32. Under System 32, scroll down, you'll have Win Bio plugins. Double click on it, and then you will have an option of Face driver. You just need to simply search for the Face driver. Once you find that, you just need to simply right click on it and you will have an install option. Just go and install the Windows Hello Face, and once you've installed, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next solution, which is you just need to simply go with search, and you need to search for services. Once you open up your service, now you just need to simply click on any service and then press W on your keyboard, and you need to search for Windows Biometric service, which is right here. Right click on it, go with properties, make sure that the startup type is automatic, and if you've started the service, then you just need to simply go and stop the service. Once you've stopped the service, you need to restart your device, and after that again start the service. Click on start and it will start the service. Once you've started, you need to go with apply and OK. And after that, now you can check and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last solution is you just need to simply go back and right click on your Windows, click on run, and here you need to simply enter a command which is gpedit.msc and then hit the enter. Here you just need to simply go with the left side, and then under the computer configuration, go with administrative templates, and under administrative templates, you need to go with Windows components, enlarge the Windows components. And under your Windows components, you will have an option of Biometrics. And here on the right side, you will have two options, right? Allow the use of biometrics and allow users to log on into using biometrics. So make sure that these two are enabled. So go with the first option, right click on it or double click on it. Once you double click on it, you'll get this kind of interface. Go and enable that and then go with apply and OK. And after that, go with the second option also. And go with enable and then go with apply and OK. And after that, you can restart your device and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix we couldn't find a camera compatible with Windows Hello Face. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.